Hello everyone, welcome to yet another exciting PHE class. I still remain Mr. Samuel, and today we are going to be looking at a very exciting and interesting topic: maintenance of PHE facilities and equipment. Now in this class, we will look at what we mean by maintenance. We will also look at the reasons why physical and health education facilities and equipment should be maintained. We will also look at some equipment in physical and education that should be maintained. And lastly, reasons why playground and equipment should be properly inspected before we use them. Now, when we say maintenance, maintenance means those facilities and equipment in physical and health education that we need to keep in good working condition. Maintenance of facilities and equipment in PHE means the keeping of the facilities and equipment in good and proper working condition. Physical activities cannot be properly done without certain aids, objects, materials, gadgets, and even structures. These are what we refer to as the facilities and equipment in physical and health education. Now, when we say facilities, facility means those aids, materials, and structure used in carrying out activities in physical and health education. Like your football pitch is an example of facilities. Your table tennis court is an example. Even your playground, that is where in this picture we are seeing different examples of facilities. Equipment is what helps us to work in our facilities. Equipment are objects and gadgets needed for facilities or for activities in physical and health education. Examples of these facilities are, like I said, your stadium, your gymnasium, swimming pool, football pitch, table tennis, volleyball court, spectator seats. Now, the stadium is where football or sporting activities are done. So it means that they are supposed to be kept neat and clean. Because if they are not kept clean, they will not be fit for sporting activities. Like your football pitch now, it is always good you clear it and make it look neat so that grass will not grow, so that your football, you will not be able to play it. That is why it is always good to keep them neat and clean. While some examples of equipment that are needed in these facilities are your tennis racket, which is the bat, boots, helmet, gloves, bicycle for cycling, cars. We also have javelin, whistle that they use, which are the referee uses, baton for relay race, rope, balls, poles, etc. All these are examples of equipment used in physical and health education. Now, why should we maintain our facilities and equipment? Some of these reasons are: maintenance will make our facilities and equipment to last long, which we all know. When we maintain anything, it lasts long. Even if you maintain your book properly, you don't tear it, it will last long. If you maintain your pencil very well, it will last long. So the same thing with facilities and equipment. When they are maintained properly, they last longer. Facilities and equipment will function properly if they are well taken care of. Accidents resulting from unexpected damaging of facilities and equipment will be reduced. So there may not even be accidents while we are working on our physical and health education activities. Maintenance help to save money, yes, which is very important. Facilities and equipment, when maintained, look good and attractive to use. They become shining, just like what we have on our picture. Place look neat. People who use well-maintained facilities will feel and perform better. So that is why it is always good to keep our facilities and equipment neat and clean. Reasons why playground and equipment should be inspected before use. Now, if you have a playground like the one we have in our school, it is good to inspect it properly before using them. So some of the reasons are inspection before use will help us to put them in good order. So if we have inspected and we notice that something, maybe the swing is not working properly, we'll put them in order. Dangerous objects can be found and removed before they cause accidents. Bad equipment and facilities are detected and set aside for repairs. That is why it's also important we should inspect them early. Inspection of facilities, equipment, and playground is fundamental safety precaution. So when we always inspect our facilities and equipment, we are always safe and ready for sporting activities. And this is where we're going to end in today's class. Do not forget to always do your assignment and your quiz. Make sure you read your quiz properly before answering them. We see you in our next class. Bye.